In this review, we're diving deep into EaseUS ChatPDF AI, the newly released software that's been making waves. If you're curious about how it works and whether it's worth your time, stick around because we're going to cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about this AI tool. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it can help you save time and streamline your workflow. First, let's talk about what EaseUS ChatPDF AI actually does. This software uses advanced artificial intelligence to help you interact with PDF documents in a way you've never seen before. Whether you need to extract data, analyze content, or even ask questions about the PDF, ChatPDF AI makes it easy. Gone are the days of manually reading through pages of text or searching endlessly for specific information. One of the standout features of EaseUS ChatPDF AI is its ability to perform context-based querying. Instead of just giving you basic search results, it allows you to ask detailed questions about the content of your PDF and get direct, relevant answers. If you're dealing with complex PDFs, this feature can save you a ton of time by providing specific insights without you having to read through the entire document. Another thing to love about this software is its ease of use. Unlike some other AI tools that can be overwhelming, EaseUS ChatPDF AI has a clean and intuitive interface. You don't need any technical expertise to get started. Simply upload your PDF and the AI starts working. It's designed for anyone who needs to interact with PDF files quickly and efficiently. EaseUS ChatPDF AI also supports a wide range of document types. It's not limited to just text-heavy PDFs. It can handle documents with tables, graphs, and images too. This makes it especially useful for professionals dealing with technical papers, research, or reports that go beyond standard text. Now let's talk about its accuracy. After testing, it's clear that the AI behind EaseUS ChatPDF is impressive. It doesn't just spit out generic responses. It digs deep into the document to find the exact information you need. Whether you're looking for a specific statistic, reference, or piece of information, the AI does an excellent job of pinpointing it. Of course, ease of integration matters. This software can easily integrate into your workflow, whether you're using it for business, research, or personal projects. It doesn't require any major changes to your current process, which is a big plus for those who just want a simple, effective tool. One crucial thing to mention is that EaseUS ChatPDF AI isn't just for reading PDFs. It can also help you summarize documents. This is especially useful if you're dealing with long reports or papers and need a quick summary without having to read every word. The AI's summarization capabilities make this an excellent tool for professionals on tight deadlines. And here's a bonus: EaseUS ChatPDF AI is available for free through the first link in the description below. So if you're on the fence about whether this software is right for you, you can try it out for yourself without any commitment. This is a great way to see firsthand how the AI can improve your document management. Before we wrap up, I want to let you know that I've personally tested thousands of AI tools. In the description below, you'll find a list of my recommended AI software, which includes other tools that can help with document management, automation, and more. All of these come with free trials, so you can explore and see which one fits best for your needs. Overall, EaseUS ChatPDF AI is a game changer for anyone who deals with large amounts of PDF data. It's easy to use, accurate, and saves you time, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to boost productivity. Try it out for yourself, and let me know what you think in the comments below.